help. This is slowly.
Oh, you're gone. There you go.
Oh God.
See you later, Maddie.
Ikea.
Ikea time. Oh yeah, you can tell by the video title, we're looking for forts right now, so.
What's the video title going to be?
Addict's going monkey mode. Dude, what if that did break? You die. Just realized that over here there's elevators going to the top, but it's gated off. So we will try and get over there. What are you doing? Yeah. Go. Here, take this.
It's going by itself. It's crazy. That's wait. I want to see what this robot's doing. No way if it takes it. Here, take it.
Alrighty.
It's not really moving by itself.
Why it's
That was cool.
Elon Musk style. So we just found trash cans, and it looks like we can make a fort out of them. So that's what we're gonna try to do. We just made the fort. This is the inside. We have little seats. Here's the entrance. My main goal our main goal is to go get stuff. Like, to put stuff in the fort.
It is?
So that, what?
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You think we're just gonna make it and then leave it bland?
Well, I mean, what are we going to add in there?
I don't know, let's look around. We just finished, and here's the tour. We got our best friends right here. We're ready to go shopping. Got the decor. We got a plant. Yeah, this is called, what should it be called? The garbage house.